When a vessel is dragging a net, then it is said to be trawling. A trawler should show two all-round lights. The upper is green, while the lower is white. In daytime, it will display two cones with apex pointing to each other in a vertical line, one above the other. If the vessel is 50 meters, or 164 feet, or more, it shall show a masthead light abaft of and higher than the all-round green light. Vessel less than 50 meters, or 164 feet, may not show the masthead light. When it is making way, it should show side lights and stern light. When a vessel is engaged in fishing but not trawling, then it should show two all-round lights. Red on top of white. In daytime, a similar set of cones as in trawling vessels. When the fishing vessel has outlaying gear extending 150 meters or 492 feet, then it should show an all-round white light in the direction of the gear. During day, the white light is replaced by cone with apex upwards. When the vessel engaged in fishing is making way, then it should show side lights and stern light. A fishing vessel, when not engaged in fishing, should not show the fishing lights, but instead should show the lights of a normal power-driven vessel.